Hi everyone. We are going to be talking about cellular respiration and photosynthesis, and the definitions of everything in terms of how do they relate, do they need each other? Basically, to start with cellular respiration, it is a series of complex chemical reactions. So there is a lot to cellular respiration, but in simple terms, it really is just complex chemical reactions. And then photosynthesis, as a lot of people know, plants use the sunlight to create their own food and feed themselves, grow. That's pretty much the simple term, and it's green plants, obviously, that it happens to. And then when we go to catabolic, because we're going to be talking about if each one is catabolic or is it anabolic. So the definition of catabolic is the process that produces energy that is needed for all of the activity in the cells. So it is definitely super important in most things. And then anabolic is basically small molecules that change into larger, more complex molecules. And that's usually of carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Now, to go back to whether cellular respiration is catabolic or anabolic, it is catabolic. It does use the process that produces the energy that's needed for all the activity in the cell. That's what it does. And then photosynthesis does the opposite. It is anabolic. So it does have those small molecules that change into larger, more complex molecules of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Kind of the opposite of each other. And then how do they relate? So photosynthesis converts the carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose, while cellular respiration does the complete opposite. It converts oxygen and glucose into water and carbon dioxide. So they both do the complete opposite. So that being said, when it comes to do they need each other? Does photosynthesis need cellular respiration to create its process, to complete, I should say, its process, or does photosynthesis need cellular respiration to complete the process? Yes, they do require each other because they basically have what the other one needs. So they do, for them to be able to proceed and work and complete their process, they need each other. They have aspects in each other that each of them need. And that is, in simple terms, really what cellular respiration and photosynthesis are. Like I said, cellular respiration is catabolic and photosynthesis is anabolic, and they need each other because they have what the other one doesn't. Thank you.